Hello students, welcome in the next lecture of subject Public Health Engineering. In previous lecture, we had discussed the one problem of incremental increase method. Now, in this lecture, we are going to discuss the problem of geometrical increase method and arithmetical increase method. There is a four methods of forecasting the population of any city or any town, that is the incremental increase method, arithmetic increase method, geometrical increase method and graphical method. Now in this lecture we are going to see the problem number 2, which is on geometrical increase method and arithmetical increase method. Now see what is the question. The following data is collected regarding population. Calculate demand of water for small residential area and forecasting the population of area. That is, we have the data. On the basis of this data, we have to forecast the population for that residential area. Now see population data for year 1961 to 2001. For year 1961, the population is 4,320. Then for year 1971, the population is 5,200. Then for 1981, the population is 7,120. For 1991, population is 8,000, and for 2001, population is 9,150. Now see, we have the population for the years 1961, 1971, 1981, 1991 and 2001. That is, we have the population for the years of 10 or for the 10 years, that is for one decade. Now see, we also have the given in that problem is the demands of water or the various demands of water. First is domestic demand for that residential area is 135 liter per head per day. Then industrial demand is 45 liter per head per day. Then public use is 30 liter per head per day. Then fire demand is 50 liter per head per day, and the losses is 50 liter per head per day. Then the total demand of water for this residential area is 275 liter per head per day, and we have to forecast the population for that area. And design period for that forecasting population is 3 decades. That is, for 3 decades we have to calculate the forecasting. 3 decades means for next 30 years we have to calculate the forecasting, or we have to forecasting the population of that city. Now see the solution. First is by arithmetical increase method. Now we can see how this problem is solved by arithmetical increase method. In the problem we have the given year and the population for that year. For 1961 the population is 4,320. Then for 1971 it is a 5,200. For 1981 it is a 7,120. For 1991 it is 800, and for 2001 it is 900, 1,050. Now we have to find out increase in population. In previous lecture we had discussed how to find out the increase in population. Now see, for year 2001 the increase in population is population of 2001 minus population of 1991, that is a 9,150 minus 8,000, that is increase in population for 2001 is 1,150. Then for year 1991 increase in population is Population of 1991 minus the population of 1981, that is 8,000 minus 7,120, and the answer is 18 8 sorry 880. Then similarly for the year 1981, the population is 701,20, and for 1971 the population is 5,200, and the increase in population for 1981 is difference between in this, that is a 1,920, and similarly increase in population for 1971, it is a difference between population of 1971 and population of 1961, that is a 880. Now then we have to find out the increase in population per decade. The increase in population per decade, D is equal to the total of this all increase in population divided by number of decades. There is a 4 number of decades, 1 2 3 4. There is a no increase in population for 1961, hence the total of increase in population is 4,830 divided by the number of decades, that is divided by 4, and the answer is 1207.5, that is approximately 1028. Now see, the formula for the arithmetical increase method is Pn is equal to P plus N into D. That is, P means the population for previous year, that is for 2001, it is a 9,150, plus N means the for 3 decades, design period is 3. Then N is equal to 3 into the value of D is, we have calculate value of D 1028. That is the Pn, that is the increase in population after 3 decades, is equal to 12,774. Hope you all get the how to find out the population of any city by using arithmetical increase method. For that, first step is calculate the increase in population. Then after calculating the total of increase in population, we have to find out the increase in population per decade. For that, D is equal to total increase in population divided by number of decades. Then formula for arithmetic increase method is Pn is equal to P plus N into D. Now the next method is geometrical increase method. After solving this problem by arithmetical increase method, now we are going to solve this problem by geometrical increase method. Now see, the formula for geometrical increase method is Pn is equal to P1 in bracket 1 plus R raised to n. It is the formula for geometrical increase method. Pn is equal to P1 in bracket 1 plus R raised to n. Now in this formula, the R is indicate the rate of growth of population per decade. R is equal to rate of growth of population per decade. Now we first have to find out the value of R for every decade, that is for every 10 years. Now for first decade, that is 1971 to 1961, we have to find out the value of R. Then the value of R is equal to, now see in this column, the value of R for first decade, that is 1971 to 1961, R is equal to the increase in population for 1971 divided by the population of 1961, that is a, or the population of 1961 divided by the increase in population of 1971, that is 880 divided by 4320 into 100, and the value of R for first decade is 20.37. Then for second decade, that is 1981 to 1971, the value of R is equal to the population or the increase in population for 1981 divided by the population of 1971, that is 1920 divided by 5200 into 100, that is the value is 36.92. Then for year 1991 and 1981, we have to find out the value of R. The R is equal to the increase in population for 1991 and the population of 1981. That is, the increase in population for 1991 is 880 divided by the population in 1981 is 7120 into 100. Here we have to multiply by 100 because we have to find out the R in percentage, that is hence we are multiplied this term into 100. The value is 12.35. Then for year 2001 and 1991, the population for increase in population for 1991 is the population for 1991 is 8000 and increase in population for 2001 is 1150 into 100, that is the value is 14.37. Now we have to find out the average value of this R, that is a rate of growth of population. The average is the rate of growth of population for every year divided by number of decades or number of years. That is the rate of growth of population for one decade, that is for first 10 years is 20.37. Then next decade it is a 36.92. Then for next decade it is a 12.35, and then for next decade it is a 40.37 divided by 4. The geometric mean for one decade is 21.005. Now next is population for 2031. After finding the value of R, we have to find the population for next decade, that is population for 2031 is equal to, now the population for the previous year, that is for 2001. The population for 2001 is 9150 into in bracket 1 plus the value of R is 21.005 divided by 100 raised to n, that is number of decade is 3, that is the design period is 3, and the value of population in 2031 is 16,211.79. Now see, in the problem they only give the design period of 3 years, that is the design periods mean the number of decades is 3. Then from that we have to calculate the population, or we have to forecasting the population for next 3 decades, that is we have the given data of population up to 2001. Then after 2001 next 3 decades is up to 2031, that is we have to find out the population of 2031. Hope you all get this problem. Now we can again revise this problem. Now see, first we have the given population and years, that is the population for each year or the population for every decade up to 2001. Then they have give the use of water for every purpose, that is for domestic purpose, how many quantity of water used, then industrial, public, fire, demand, losses, and total use of water in that residential area. Then we have to forecast the population with the design period of 3 decades, that is for next 3 decades we have to calculate the population, that is we have the population up to 2001. Then after 2001 the next 3 decades means for 2031 we have to calculate the forecasting of that, or we have to forecast the population of that city. Now first is arithmetic increase method. For arithmetic increase method, first step is we have to calculate the increase in population. How we can calculate the increase in population? The population for that decade or for that year minus the population of the previous decade, that is population of 2001 minus population of 1991. It is the increase in population of 2001. Similarly, for every decade we have to calculate the increase in population. Then after calculate the total increase in population, we have to find out the increase in population per decade, that is D is equal to total population divided by number of decades. Now then next is the formula for arithmetic increase method is Pn is equal to P plus N into D, that is a P N means P 2031 is equal to P means the population for 2001, it is a 9150 plus N is 3 into the value of D, it is a 12774. Hope you all get this arithmetic increase method. Next is geometric increase method. In geometric increase method, the formula for geometric increase method is Pn is equal to P1 in bracket 1 plus R raised to n. Now we have to find out the value of R for every decade. Then after finding out the value of R for every decade, we have to find out the geometric mean of that value of R, means the rate of growth of population. The geometric mean of rate of growth of population is 21.005. Then we have to find out the population for 2030. Now see what is the formula for geometrical increase method. Pn is equal to P1 in bracket 1 plus R raised to n. Now Pn means for next three decades, that is 2031. P 2031 is equal to P1 means the population of previous decade, that is population of 2001, it is a 9150 into 1 plus R, value of R is 21.005 divided by 100 into or raised to n. N is 3. The population for 2031 is 60,211.79. Hope you all get this problem of arithmetic increase method and geometric increase method. And in last lecture we had discussed the problem of incremental increase method. Hope you all get these three methods and you all understand how to calculate the population or how to forecast the population of any city for the future or for the future demand of water. Thank you.